In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Tampa. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official City of Tampa website at tampa.gov. Using the official city website is important because it helps make sure you're accessing the correct payment information and not a third-party site. Once you're on the website, look for the section about paying tickets. On this page, you'll notice that there are a few different ways to take care of your ticket. The city provides multiple payment options, which is helpful depending on what's most convenient for you. In general, you may see choices such as paying online, paying by mail, or paying in person. Since this tutorial is focused on the online method, go ahead and choose the option to pay online. This is usually the fastest and most convenient choice, especially if you want to complete the payment right away without mailing anything or visiting an office. Before you continue, it's good to know that paying online includes a $2.50 convenience fee. That extra fee is added for the online payment service, so keep that in mind before submitting your payment. It's a small detail, but it helps avoid surprises at checkout. After selecting the online payment option, look for the button or link labeled Parking Portal, Pay Now, and click it. This will take you to the payment portal where you can continue the process. At this point, a new tab should open in your browser. If you don't see it right away, check whether your browser blocked pop-ups, since that can sometimes prevent the portal from opening. Once the new tab appears, simply follow the on-screen instructions provided in the payment portal to complete your ticket payment. As you go through the portal, take your time and make sure the ticket details are correct before you submit anything. It's always a good idea to review the amount due and confirm that you're paying the correct citation. If possible, keep a copy of your confirmation page or receipt for your records after the payment is complete. That can be useful in case you need proof of payment later. And that's it. The main process is to go to the City of Tampa website, review the available payment methods, choose Pay Online, note the convenience fee, click Parking Portal, Pay Now, and then follow the instructions in the new tab to finish the payment. If this walkthrough helped, you can use these same steps anytime you need to pay a ticket online in Tampa.